In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to trade crypto on the Weex platform. After signing into your account, start by clicking on the Spot option at the top, which is the simplest way to begin trading. Once you're inside the trading interface, choose the cryptocurrency pair you want to trade from the menu on the left, for example, Solana/USDT. In the center of the screen, you'll find your chart, where you can perform technical analysis, adjust time frames, and customize your view. On the right, you'll see the order book and market trades that help you understand current market activity. At the bottom section is where you place your trades. You can choose between a limit order, where you buy or sell at a specific price, or a market order, where you execute your trade at the current market price. After selecting the order type, enter the amount you want to trade, for example, $10 worth of Solana, and simply click Buy or Sell. Your open orders, trade history, and related details will appear in the lower section of the screen. Trading on Weex is simple, fast, and user-friendly once you know where everything is. I hope this tutorial makes your experience easier and more confident. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.